From the newsroom, Niranjan, these scenes are very difficult to witness, but it appears that a lot of resources have been mobilized to provide rescue and relief efforts. Niranjan, over to you.
Yes, Mamata Banerjee, the West Bengal Chief Minister, has just tweeted. In fact, I'm trying to, just read out the tweets. She says she's deeply concerned to hear about the tragic accident of the Bikaner-Guwahati Express in Mainaguri. Senior officers of state government, DM, SP, IG North Bengal are supervising rescue and relief efforts. And the relief operations continue. Over 50 ambulances have been pressed into service. So I'm just giving you the latest updates. Those injured will receive medical attention as early as possible. So the West Bengal Chief Minister saying that the situation is being closely monitored from the state headquarters. So she's looking at it very closely. And we have an update. The 2 teams of NDRF have been deployed. They will reach shortly to rescue people in the Guwahati-Bikaner Express accident site with multiple bogies being derailed. The number of bogies we are hearing is more than 12. I have an official statement coming in from. Okay, we have an official statement coming. All injured taken to hospital. Rescue work almost complete. All injured taken to hospital. Railways official statement that all injured have been taken to the hospital. So that's a bit of update that we're getting. Railways officially saying that that all injured have been rushed to hospital. Railways officially saying that rescue operations are almost complete. I'll repeat that. They're saying rescue ops almost complete. And this is the update that we're getting in from Bengal. Officially, Railways saying that it's almost done. 9 trains have been diverted. 9 trains have been diverted. I'm trying to get you the details of that, of the 9 different trains that have been diverted. Officially, the railways saying that 9 trains due to this tragedy have been diverted on that route. This was from Bikaner to Guwahati, so on that route, and we know that it's a busy route. 9 trains have been diverted, so you should watch out for the diversions. And Republic TV will also upload this document. I'm just sharing this document. I think our teams will have it already by now, so we can also put it out on republicworld.com. On republicworld.com, I'm sharing it once again, Ankit, so that we can share it with all our viewers, to our millions of viewers on social media and across different platforms. Okay, so I'm just while I share that, I'm giving you details of the diversions. I'm giving you details of the diversions, and let me just read out from the statement that Saraighat Express has been diverted via NCB while SC RQJ instead of NCB DQG RQJ. Now we will have to just put this. I think we will have to upload this because these are codes of stations and the routes. So we may not be accurately sort of giving it out to our viewers. So at this point, I'm just going to tell you that there are 9 trains that have been diverted. We have the exact details of the trains that are diverted. We'll put out the details as well. And officially, all injured taken to hospital. Rescue work almost complete. Total ambulances deployed around 30 to 35. So that's the breaking news update. I'm sorry, in the middle of the newsroom, a lot of updates coming in. So we're sort of breaking it down as and when these updates come into our newsroom. This is the official number coming in from the railways at 30 to 35 ambulances pressed into service, and that they've been operational since 5:30 p.m. The train derailment itself was reported around 5 p.m. So this is the breaking news update that I have for you. Ankit, I'm handing it back to you for now. We're going to stay on the story non-stop. We're trying to get more details. I think Ashwini Vaishnav is also speaking somewhere, the Railways Minister. I'm trying to see if we can, we can get that as well anytime now. But Ashok Gehlot, one more reaction coming in. Ashok Gehlot, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, saying that he's saddened to know about the loss of lives when bogies of Bikaner-Guwahati Express got derailed in West Bengal. His heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families, saying they may remain strong to bear this loss, etc. Now, I'll tell you that we should be able to get some sort of an official reaction from the Railways Minister. But as of now, the good news is that we were looking at the kind of the extent of the damage there and the number of bogies that have derailed, and the task involved. We thought it could take longer, but we are hearing that it's almost done, that it's almost complete. So that's some bit of positive news that is coming in. Ankit, I'm handing it back to you for now.